Hello friends, we the team IoT Squad. I am Avanti Salunke and the team members are Anushka Rajamadik, Lakshmi Ranjane and Sami Sheikh from Karmavir Bhaurav Patil College of Engineering Satara. Under the subject of mini project, we have created the IoT based smart helmet for mining workers. We have prepared the project under the guidance of Professor Monica Sonmane ma'am. So before going towards our project, let's basically see what IoT is. The term IoT or Internet of Things refers to the collective network of connected devices and the technology that facilitates the communication between devices and the cloud as well as between the devices themselves. Now let's see the problem statement. Mining workers are often exposed to hazardous environments that put their safety at risk. This includes the situations such as cave-ins, toxic gas leaks, extreme temperatures, and falling objects. So ensuring their safety is crucial. So our project focuses on the development of smart helmet, which includes the various features such as two-way communication, detection of hazardous gases, providing notification in the case of helmet removal, panic switch for emergency situations, continuous monitoring of environmental conditions such as temperature and pressure in mining industry, and the last one, GPS is provided to track the location of the miner. Moving towards project, first let's check the hardware requirements. First, helmet, which is the basic element and protects against the head injuries. The next one, ESP32 microcontroller, which is actually the brain of the project and which handling the task of collecting data from various sensors and interacting with the software. Next, the DHT11 sensor, which is responsible for collecting temperature and humidity data in surrounding environment. We are using MQ9 gas sensor. By continuously monitoring the air quality in the user's surrounding, the sensor ensures timely alerts and helps to prevent potential respiratory hazards. The next one, ultrasonic sensor, which is providing the accurate distance measurement through ultrasonic waves. It allows the user to detect and avoid obstacles. The next, IR sensor, which we have put inside the helmet, and it will detect the helmet is worn by the miner or not. Next, LCD, which provides the workers with essential information such as temperature, humidity, gas level and alerts, ensuring they stay informed and can take the necessary precautions. The next one, GPS module. It uses satellite signals to determine the exact location of user, allowing for precise tracking and monitoring of their movements. And next one, jumper wire and breadboard. Now let's see the model of the project. So for the software implementation of the project, we need Arduino IDE and the Firebase database. We are using Arduino IDE for writing and compiling code and Firebase database to store and sync the data in real time. Now let's see the implementation. So on the Firebase, we can see the GPS values and the sensors values such as temperature, humidity, gas and distance values. And also we can see the helmet is worn or not, or at any condition of an emergencies we can see the alerts on the screen. So in the future we plan to incorporate additional sensors such as sweat level and heart rate monitors to further improve the safety and functionality of smart helmet. We aim to provide the miner with valuable data regarding their physical conditions and ensure their well-being while wearing the smart helmet. The overall functionality of smart helmet has proven to be a valuable tool for ensuring the safety of miner. Its ability to provide real-time data and immediate alerts has the potential to revolutionize safety protocols in mining industry, ultimately saving the lives and reducing accidents. Thanks for watching.